Good evening, everyone. Welcome to tutorial video number 8 on the Sieveking finger exercises. This is the weight method, dead weight method. And we're going to do the wrist ones, one of the most important wrist exercises that Sieveking wrote. I'm going to show that to you tonight. And it uses, I'm going to show you hands separately because I can't hold the video and show hands together at the same time. I can't hold the iPad, but you have to know your major scales, and this teaches you the scales. The right hand is going to be starting here, middle C and the G, 1 and 2, and the left hand is going to be an octave lower with your thumb, and 2 is on F. So that allows C, D, E, F, 5, 4, 3, 2, of C major, and in the right hand it allows G, A, B, C. So we have the C major scale, and the right hand is going to repeat the thumb every time, and you're going to lift the hand way back up, but you have to feel when you drop that you're balanced in the keys. It's like the picture I sent out of this huge rock, and then another big huge rock sitting on it, balanced on a small surfaced area, but all that heavy weight, that's what's balancing in the tip of your finger in the pad. So if you can have that, lift your hand back. So it's hard for me to see the keys here. Twice. In the left, it's going to be C. So I'll just try this hands together like this. I don't know if it'll work, but. And now what we do is the melodic minor descending form of C major. So you have to lower 7, 6, and 3 from no sharps, no flats. So it's like E flat major with 3 flats. So we're going to be, because we're using the descending form. So the right hand is going to be those 3 notes. The arm is just so loose, and you've got to shape ahead and realize that you go from C major to C minor melodic by lowering 4 and 3, which is the 7th and the 6th notes of the scale. And then in the left, you just have that minor third, so you got to lower the 3 in the left. So I'll try this again for hands together. When we go to the one that's preparing for C sharp major or D flat major, we're going to end up playing from the 7th note of C sharp major to the 7th note of C sharp major. So we're basically going C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp. So here's what we do. We just lower, we've already lowered 4 and 3, now we lower 2 for the right hand. Becomes, so it's, then you go to D flat major or C sharp major. I start on C, it's just lowering 4 and 3. Now I lower the 2 as well. Now 2 takes what 3 has, and you go D flat major from the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th notes. So it's like G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. So in the left, you're going, we already had the C major and C minor, the melodic descending form, which has the minor third from there to there. Now we're going to lower the 4th finger, which is preparing us for D flat major. So we're going. Then we go D flat major. So we're going to have 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and up to here. So I'll try hands together if I can hold the camera from here. So if you can get that, it's an important exercise to work on, just slowly, very slowly and loosely. That's the way I do it. I start very slowly. I do that exercise every day. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that explanation and have a good night. Thank you.